Hey creators, whether you're just starting your YouTube journey or already making awesome content, today I'm showing you the top 5 free video editing tools you can use in 2025. No watermarks, no hidden charges, just pure creative freedom. Let's dive in. First up, CapCut. Available for both desktop and mobile, CapCut gives you professional-level effects, text animations, and even AI-based background removal, all for free. The best part? It has built-in TikTok and YouTube Shorts export settings, perfect for short-form creators. If you want quick, trendy edits, CapCut is unbeatable. Next is DaVinci Resolve, the powerhouse of free editing. Used by Hollywood studios, this tool combines editing, color grading, VFX, and sound design all in one. Yes, it's slightly advanced, but once you learn it, your videos will look cinematic. If you want professional quality without spending a single dollar, DaVinci Resolve is your go-to. At number 3, HitFilm. It's designed for creators who love visual effects and motion graphics. The free version comes packed with transitions, 3D effects, and YouTube export presets. It's great for gaming videos, music edits, or cinematic trailers. Number 4, VN Editor. It's a super lightweight, mobile-friendly editor that's perfect for vloggers or travel creators. You can trim, add transitions, music, subtitles, and there's no watermark. If you're editing on your phone, VN is a total game changer. And finally, Clipchamp, owned by Microsoft. It's browser-based, easy to use, and integrates directly with Windows 11. Clipchamp has free stock videos, auto captions, and templates for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Perfect for beginners who want quick, polished results without downloading heavy software. So that's my list of the top 5 free video editing tools for creators in 2025. Which one are you using right now? Tell me in the comments below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more creator tips every week.